Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make these beautiful Rakhis to gift to your brother on this Rakshabandhan and celebrate the beautiful bond between you and your brother. So to begin, we're going to take this purple holographic wrapping paper and we're going to trace a circle on it on the back side with foam tape. I'm going to use the inside circle of the foam tape and I'm going to use a sketch pen to trace the circle. So next we're going to cut the circle out from the wrapping paper. So here we have our purple circle piece. So next we are going to make slits in near the edges or the circumference of the circle, and we are going to make small slits or fringes. So our fringes should look like this. So here's our beautiful purple circular piece with fringes for the center of our Rakhi. So I'm going to take a red satin ribbon to make the wristband for our Rakhi. I've cut the edges of the ribbon in a fishtail so you can see this pretty V edge. I'm going to take a piece of foam tape and I'm going to stick it in the center of our wristband to adhere the circular purple panel which we have created to make the center of our Rakhi. To give a finished look on the back of our Rakhi, I'm going to use a piece of cardstock and I'm going to stick it on the back of the Rakhi. Our Rakhi is already looking really pretty, but we are going to step it up a little bit and we are going to take this red glitter foam flower and we're going to stick it in the center of I'm going to add the stone sticker to the center of our flower. So here's our pretty Rakhi all ready to be gifted. For my second style of Rakhi, I have made this very pretty colorful cone with the flower center Rakhi. So to make this, we are going to take a piece of wrapping paper which is cut in the shape of a pizza slice. So we are going to take one of its ends and we are going to fold it in the shape of a cone. We're going to add glue to the edges and stick it. So here's our cone shape. So we are going to make many of such cones and we are going to stick them all together like so and stick a pretty flower in the center which will give you this pretty Rakhi center. To make the wristband, we are going to take this gold satin ribbon and we're going to stick it underneath the centerpiece which we have created. I'm going to add a piece of cardstock on the back to finish it off. And here is our pretty Rakhi. Here's a Rakhi which my mom made. She used gold wrapping paper for the center of the Rakhi. She added orange glitter foam sticker in the center and added some pretty stone stickers in the flower. For the wristband, she used a red satin ribbon. It looks really pretty. Here's another one which I have made. I have used the blue and silver flower center and the gold wrapping paper and a glitter ribbon which is in green color for the wristband. So here are all the Rakhis which I have made. So if you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to my channel and comment down below which one is your favorite Rakhi among all these. Bye for now channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video and also click the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching.